digs and examines the body. They are unable to locate many clues.
The coroner's office and the Alabama Department of Forensic Sciences medical examiner could not pinpoint a specific cause of death because the body had been in the water apparently the entire 2 months and had deteriorated significantly.
News of the grisly discovery reaches a heartbroken community.
After 2 months, you know it's not going to be a good ending. It's a hard thing to realize that that's truly what happened.
With foul play clearly evident, the sheriff's office begins their homicide investigation. Police contact Brenda's neighbors, church members, business associates, and her ex-husband, Jerry Lee Bowen.
We keep working through that list, eliminating them for one reason or another, and keep coming back to Jerry with additional questions and issues, which he wasn't very forthcoming.
Bowen is their prime suspect. And for nearly a year, deputies continue to watch him, gather evidence, and build their case. Investigators reconstruct the events leading up to Brenda's disappearance. They return to the location where Brenda's body was found.
So it was an 11-month intensive effort put on by our investigators and associates before we reached a point where we were ready to present it to a grand jury.
Law enforcement heads out to arrest Jerry Lee Bowen.
Jerry was an accomplished firearms expert. He shot a lot, owned a lot of guns.
Investigators know that his gun collection includes a .44 caliber Magnum and a 12-gauge shotgun.
He had the potential to be dangerous if he chose to make a stand, so we took sufficient force to make sure it was handled effectively.
Late on Friday afternoon, the sheriff, his deputies, and the SWAT team arrive at Bowen's home. They surround the building and cut the phone lines.
Mr. Bowen, come out with your hands up now. Your house is surrounded.
I got a phone call from someone that told me